we're diving into the 3 worst bathroom mistakes that everyone seems to make.
Stick around for 3 pro tips that will transform your bathroom from drab to fab. First up, not having a focal point in your bathroom can make the space feel cluttered and chaotic.
It's like having too many cooks in the kitchen.
The second mistake is not making the most of your wall space. Walls are like blank canvases waiting to be utilized.
Install shelves, hooks, or cabinets to keep things organized and maximize storage.
This not only declutters your space, but also adds functionality and style. Lastly, let's shed some light on the third mistake: having a bathroom that's too dark.
Dark bathrooms can feel small, gloomy, and unwelcoming. To fix this, consider our 3 pro tips.
Pro tip 1. Create contrast by making your floors dark and your walls light. This helps open up the space and adds a touch of elegance. Install a big mirror.
Mirrors not only reflect light, but also create the illusion of a larger space.
Plus, they're practical for grooming and adding a decorative element to your bathroom. Paint everything the same color. This includes walls, ceilings, and even trimmings. A monochromatic palette creates a cohesive and streamlined look, making your bathroom feel harmonious and well designed.
And there you have it: 3 common bathroom mistakes and 3 pro tips to fix them.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks.